Ring, ring.
Sandy, a green clean.
Oh yes, hello. This is Margaret at Cheshire Place, and I'm over here with your cleaning team, and I actually bought them dinner from Mario's restaurant.
Oh.
They have mini pizzas and delish desserts, and it's one of actually my favorite restaurants, so I was gonna have them over for dinner. You guys can just stay. Don't take out your tools. Stay here for dinner. I bought you guys all dinner.
But wait, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and they have other jobs to do after this.
I know, dinner time's at 5. I start early.
I know, but they can't stay because we have other customers like yourself to do that. You're free to invite them to dinner. They're all adults. Maybe they can come after work.
I also got them ribeyes from the City Steakhouse. They serve the best beef in town.
Yeah, I mean, that's good, but we still have other jobs to do, so we'll have to politely decline dinner today, and if you want, you can just tell them to come back later.
Myra, put another shrimp on the Barbie. It's gonna be wonderful.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just letting you know your teams might be running late because I'm having them over. I'm having the whole neighborhood come over. It's gonna be fabulous.
Okay.
I'm fabulous. Let's do this.
Great.
Oh, your teams are cleaning so wonderfully, by the way. Just wanted to let you know. I'll leave you a review after supper.
My pleasure. Thank
Okay.
you.
Toodaloo.
Bye. Myra, don't stay for dinner.